Business writers are often confused about when to use and versus the ampersand, when while is better than whilst, and when to choose one rather than two-syllable words. Then there are idioms that, when used incorrectly, tend to irritate your readers. An idiom is the way in which ideas are expressed in language, and there is little reason behind some of them. I'm never sure why writers use the ampersand instead of and in general text. It's always the preference to write out the word. Of course, when used as part of a company name, use the ampersand. One way to encourage the use of plain English is to use one rather than two-syllable words and two rather than three-syllable words and so on. So using while is better than whilst, on rather than upon, and first, second, and third instead of firstly, secondly, and thirdly. Now let's have a look at some of the most common idioms to watch out for. He is an authority on, not about, online media and marketing. You need to comply with, not to, current workers' compensation legislation. They could have been, not they could have been, first in line when they got there earlier. The character portrayed in the movie is different from, not different to, the character in the book. Even though her boss disapproved of, not disapproved with, her approach, he decided to support her decision. Complete the steps in accordance with, not to, the company's complaint procedure. The researcher was in search of, not in search for, data that would prove her case. The prototype 004 is superior to, not superior than, the previous version called the prototype 003.